Hi, my name is James Abraham. I'm with warehouse-lighting.com here to show you our WareLight Dusk to Dawn fixture. It's an install it and forget about it fixture. The great thing is it'll last for years, it's well built, and I'll kind of go over some of these. In some areas, you specifically need lights just at nighttime. This is what this thing's great for. The WareLight Dusk to Dawn fixture is fantastic for this option. The fixture can be standard with a mounting arm and a photocell controller in both our 42 watt and our 58 watt fixture. This one here is a 58 watt. It's the brighter of the two. You can tell it's well built, and I'll show you a close-up of it at the end of the video so you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. The photocell senses sunlight, shutting off during the day and automatically turning on at night. Great energy savings option. It's already built into this fixture, so all you got to do is buy it and install it, and it does everything you need it to do. No reason to be switched as long as you need light at night. Using powerful LEDs, the Dusk to Dawn fixture emanates up to 4,400 lumens of natural white illumination. Its LEDs are designed to last a minimum of 50,000 hours. I think 50,000 hours calculates out to be something around like 8 years of just regular nighttime usage. So you'll have this for years, never have to touch this fixture again. Like I said, it's a install it and forget about it fixture. The construction is with a rust and corrosion proof heavy duty die-cast aluminum housing. The durable construction provides a great level of reliability in any situation, making them perfect for outdoor use. As you can see, it's also got, it's finned for heat dissipation too, will last for years to come. With resistance to weather and debris, WareLight is a brand you can trust, which provides a 5-year manufacturer's warranty to ensure customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please give us a call or give one of our people a call here at 888-454-4480. We have the answers for you when it comes to LED lighting. Also, if you wouldn't mind, please like or subscribe to our channel. We're coming out with products all the time. Keep you educated on what the LED market's doing. I appreciate you tuning in, and like I said, at the end of this video I'm going to show you a couple close-ups of this fixture so you can get an idea. It comes with this hardware for mounting, so there's really nothing you're going to need to do, but like I said, install it and forget about it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll give you a close-up on what's going on here, and I'll give you another covering up the photocell so it kicks on. That's how that guy looks, and we'll give you a close-up on this. Here's a close-up on the product. I'll bring it closer to the camera. You can see the die-cast housing. Here's the photocell. Here's the lens. I'll get it to light up for you. I just did that by covering the photocell. The blinking is just because of the camera and the rate. The fixture does not blink like that, and because of the close-up on it. And here you go, mounting arm, the bag of everything that you receive. And the arm that comes with the fixture. If you have any questions, please holler at us. Appreciate you tuning in.